Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mudhani Rongo and this is Pulse Live Kenya. Leo tuko ndani ya MTV Shuga Season 1 premiere. And of course the vibes are amazing. Luku imeweza and of course drinks are pouring. We want to find out what is the first thing that comes to mind when you hear MTV Shuga. Let's get into it.
The kind of themes that have been addressed in Shuga are so heavy. So whenever I hear MTV Shuga, I just know ni sukari ingine tamu, edutainment, and they're all about educating and entertaining at the same time, and also giving rise and birth to future stars. Yeah.
When you hear MTV Shuga, what comes to mind?
Fun, youth, education, conversation triggering. Yes.
Nick Mutuma, Brenda Wairimu, Lupita. The time past 10 p.m. when people used to sneak and watch when their parents told them not to watch it. Yeah. But it's a really cool, fun show.
Talk to us about your character on the show. Ni nani, anapenda nini, anataka nini?
Well, my character, I play Salaton. And the first time nilisoma hizo scripts, at least during the table read for the first time, I was introduced to him as a handsome boy. But I got to realize he's a bit more than that. His story, especially on this show, target a specific group of people, of course, young people who are facing self-stigmatization or social stigmatization.
Kulikuwa na audition process that was 3 days. Which one did you go to? Friday, Saturday?
Nilienda Saturday. Yeah, the second day. Well, as usual, kwa the public auditions, watu wanakuanga wengi sana. And me too niko hapa by merit, honestly, na talanta. Merit na talanta.
So now you got the call back. How did you feel?
I felt amazing. I felt like, I think you guys got the wrong person or something, I don't know. But nili feel poor when I got the call back and I went there and did my stuff. The guys at the panel, they were very impressed. I'm not gonna lie.
When I got the call, I feel like a few weeks later, I was in shock. I was actually working. I was a judge somewhere, and I got the call, and hata nilishtuka niseme nini. Watu wako like, Wilson, fanya kazi yako. Niko like, ngoja nimepigiwa, relax. I was so happy. Yeah.
I was in charge of making decisions on the lighting, the framing, the look and feel, and the color of the whole film. When you hear MTV Shuga, for me, I hear education. I hear entertainment. That's what I envision. And also, vile niliitwa kwenye MTV Shuga to come and be the cinematographer, I thought of it the same way. Nikaona I'm coming to lend my skills to make more people be educated and also be entertained. Yeah.